Hey guys, so yeah, I'm in the new house apparently, and eventually there's a lot of space. Now in that box right there, there's something really cool in there. Now I don't know why I'm watching that piece of crap. Anyway, it's my new chicken Rex apparently. Now look at this cutie! Look at this cutie! Anyways, he's really cute. And I just bought him in the Mercado, apparently. A new word in Spanish, which is the swap mall. So yeah. Estoy haciendo un video de Rex. Y ya se levantó.
¿A quién?
Rex.
A ver.
¿Ven?
¿Cómo le vas a poner?
Rex.
¿Rex?
Hey, pues no tengo otro nombre.
¿Y por qué Pablo ya no te gustó?
No me gusta. Ni me gusta.
¿No?
So Rex el pollito. So yeah, here's this food. It smells like shit apparently. Look at this. Look at all this food. It feels like 1 pound even though it's not. Must weigh like 250. Must weigh like 250 grams. But oh my god, he's so cute. Look at this cutie. Hey Rex. Rex, what are you doing? Yeah. Hey Rex. People are watching you. Say hi. Say hi, Rex. Hi. Yeah, he's gonna drink some water or food or something. Whatever. Yeah, and he could jump. Mira Rex. Ya se levantó
¿A comer?
Ajá, a comer y luego.
A la tontate.
Esos son mis lentes.
Se me lo andaba poniendo.
Todos están allá, yo creo. So yeah, he's so cute. He's so cute. Okay, yeah, I don't know. I don't care about that, you know. I don't really care about that because it sucks. It sucks, people. It sucks. Don't you dare watch it, though, okay? Don't watch it. Just watch. Okay, you know what? I don't really care. So yeah, not bad. Kinda like it. Ah, sorry. Anyways. Okay. I don't care. Pero no sé por qué. You know, I don't really care. Ahorita. So yeah, I'll just end the episode here. And right now my Spanish friends are gonna come right now. So I'll see you guys next time. Oh, and wait, one more thing. Now I'll do that in the next episode. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye and peace. Damn it. Peace.